reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is a video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Virgos, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. Friends, people who are born from 23rd of August to 22nd of September are Virgos. Let's see what's in cards for you all. So friends, we will, as you're aware, this is a general reading, so try to pick and choose the advice that suits you most, because there are multiple people who fall under Virgo sun sign, and whatever message I get from Divine Source, I try to align it accordingly. So I try to give multiple possibilities. So pick and choose the advice that suits you most depending on the current situation when you are reading these cards. Okay, so let's quickly jump to your energy oracle card. We have Archangel Raphael, that is fourth chakra energy, very prevalent in your cards for the coming month, which is a beautiful energy. It's a energy of love, happiness, fulfillment, and lot of positive energy in terms of love enrichment. So relationships are looking good in the coming month. You will be taken care of, loved and pampered. You will feel wanted in the relationship, whichever relationship we are talking about. So let's quickly jump to your relationship card. Let's understand what's there in store for relationships. We have Queen of Cups in relationships, a beautiful card again here, confirming the love energy prevalent in your life in the coming month. This is the lady who is going to offer a lot of love, warmth and care and nurturing to the relationship. Now this could be you yourself trying to take care of yourself. So here self-love is also prevalent, where you are trying to love yourself, pamper yourself, take care of yourself. And it could be also relationship with somebody else, where this lady, either you or somebody you know, is trying to give that love, warmth, care, nurturing and security to the relationship. So there is a lot of emotional connect, emotional security and abundance expected here. There is a lot of nurturing expected here. There is a lot of reward expected here. So people who have been planning for family, like planning for a child, yes, there is a possibility that you can plan in the coming month. It's looking a very fertile month, because it's supported by King of Pentacles energy in your health segment also. So both the energies, male and female energies, are looking quite prominent and healthy. So you can explore the possibility of conception. For people who have been thinking about their marriage, your marriage will be pampered by the lady love in your life. Your partnership or love life will be pampered and taken care of. If you're talking about relationships with the family and parents, yes, your mother could be the ruling figure here, who is taking care and pampering you. Your sister, elder sister, somebody who really is senior in terms of not necessarily age, but wisdom and emotional quotient in your family. That lady is going to really heal and pamper the relationship for you. Try to think beyond illusions. Maybe you're blocked yourself with preconceived notions. So try to think beyond that and be open to receive this love and warmth and care, which will really help you nurture yourself, and your sacral chakra. So because I can see the energy of creativity again confirming in this chakra advice card that your sacral chakra, your heart chakra are looking very prominently active in the coming month, and they'll be nurtured and taken care of. Coming to your career, we have Two of Wands in the reverse position. Now this card is very much suggesting that maybe you were working on the duality kind of a situation in your career, where you are handling two tasks, two projects, you are planning to move out or planning for some global expansion in business, but things have been delayed, things of movement has been delayed. You are holding on to one opportunity, planning for something else, but both the things are looking delayed right now. So you might have to wait for some time. Keep patience, tune into your inner self is the message for you. Tune into your inner self, take the guidance, seek the guidance, and you will know what to do and how to plan your career further. Now this could be in case of some students also who are planning for their higher education, but there is a delay expected again. So tune into your inner self, take the inner guidance, and try to align your future path. You look quite intuitive person here, looking at the cards that we have. So just try to build a better and a stronger relationship with your own self and your own intuition. You will be guided. Coming to your finances, we can see the Chariot card. So this is a good card. It is a card of merchant. It is a card of somebody who is expected to show some interest in your financial growth, either your parent who is planning your finances very well, or you yourself planning your finances well. You are planning an expedition to make their financial growth more stronger. There is also a possibility that somebody who is really expert in the industry or somebody senior wanting to invest in your project or some finances and making you grow to a next level. So be friendly with whatever is happening, be friendly with the person, with the nature, and you will know what decision to take. So overall things look fine in terms of finances. You look to pretty much in control. You might be working very hard to make it to work, but you will get success also. So it's looking quite positive, Virgos. Coming to your health, we have King of Pentacles upright, which is suggesting that you are in a good health situation, very healthy male energy supporting you, balancing you in every way to to be a strong individual in terms of a health segment. Wherever, if at all, people who are going through a little poor health situation, they are still not in a worse situation, because they will be getting help from the expert in the industry. Now whether it is a doctor, whether it is a healer, whether it is any other practitioner, you will be getting all the help that you need. You will be monetarily supported to take care of your health. So and you will be disciplined in a way to take care of health in a better way. So overall it looks like a good card in terms of health. You will be aligned with a very well networked person. Some of you might be aligned with some very well networked and a strong person who will support you in your health care. The message for you here is you take time off for yourself and plan your health well along with this energy, because this will really take you to a very strong healthy situation. Chakra advice card is suggesting creativity. So this month is going to be a month of creativity, month of love, emotional balance, and lot of positivity for you. Use it, optimize it to enhance your inner power and inner self, and enhance your sacral chakra as well as your root chakra. Vegan is the diet suggested by angels. They suggest you to follow a vegan diet. Be away from any harsh, toxic relationships or emotions or food or any action that is toxic and which is harming your spiritual frequency, because you're very much aligned to a spiritual and intuitive frequency in the coming month. So I really hope this reading helped you guys to plan your life better, Virgos. Take care. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksh by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksh by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know what do you think about videos. Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to specially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.